Leadership is not a license to do less. Leadership is a responsibility to do more. Hey, good day. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter, with today's Kernel of Wisdom. It is a common but misguided perception that once you've made it to the top, things get easier because you can relax and let other people do the work. That is an excellent recipe for losing your spot at the top. And it's not significant leadership. Being a leader is hard work all the time. It's also rewarding most of the time. And that most of the time makes the rest of the time worth it. The Colonel loved this quote, which he said was originally from General Douglas MacArthur. Never send your troops in where you are not willing to go, and never ask them to do something you are not willing to do yourself. While doing everything yourself is not a characteristic of leadership, if you've never been where you're sending your team, metaphorically, then you have no basis to guide them on their journey. I have a friend who is a fitness trainer. He spends 8 to 10 hours a day in the gym with his clients, guiding them to their fitness goals. Every evening after dinner, he goes back to the gym to work out himself. I asked him about that one time. You're in the gym all day long. Don't you ever get tired of being here? He said, of course I do. But my clients won't put in work that I haven't put in before them. I put the work in on myself so I can guide and encourage you to put in the work on yourself. Leaders do more than the rest of the team, usually behind the scenes, and not for their own achievement or accolades, but for the benefit of the team. Leadership is a lonely road that requires letting go of privilege in order to build something more permanent, a legacy. This is Lauren Schieffer, the Colonel's daughter. Have a great day.